yangalala tuna yangalala. Yeye to yangalala tuna yangalala. Totu siamini na munakadila iswe, sendo tunatambula. Atata mama aleke, bize no babo twenda twalanda iswe, moyo tunatambula. Enge tata nge mama, totu tata mena, yangalala tu yangalala. Bino babo soya mula masumwe, bize no babo twenda twalanda iswe, sendo tunatambula. Yangalala tu yangalala. Yangalala tu yangalala. Eye kapo Yesu kakatufuile. Muisu tomwe. Muisu mayangiko. Muisu kiese. Yangalala, 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 yangalala. Ndolo, 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 ndolo. Eya ya kiese kuna Zulu Eya ya tata mana, eya ya tata mana. Mukedika, ndolo, 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 ndolo. Tata mana, mama, tata mana, milongi no tata mana. Ma. Ndolo kwetu kuna Zulu Ndolo.
Kambote Tata Davidi.
Cambodia.
Oh, thank you very much. I really thank you for your time. You know, it's Sunday. Thank you for making time. We need to, I mean, to me personally, is to honor our forefather. Hello, if you are watching, we are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Tutondele. I mean, when we're talking about Congo, we mean Congo Kinshasa and Congo Brazzaville. Tutondele. Thank you very much. Kambote, Tata Allen, you are on mute. Mute, Tata Allen. Kambote, Tata Allen.
Kiambo te tata panzu.
Tunaona vimpi, eh?
Ingeta, tunama vimpi yeyeno, eh?
E dopo tunaona vimpi, tutondele. Tutondele. Kambote, nengo tadiwa.
Yambote,
Tunaona vimpi, eh?
ingeta tuna mavimpi yeyenwe.
Etope tunama vimpi, tutondele. Tata David, are you brave enough? Kambote.
Cambodia Tata Mpanzu.
Tunama vimpi, eh?
Tunaba Vimpi. Ingeta Tunaba Vimpi.
Oh, tutonde tata. Okay, someone is greeting us, I think. Ah, okay. It's in Portuguese. Boa noite. Okay. Good evening. Okay. In America. Okay. Tutondele. Too early in America.
Boa noite.
Boa noite.
Tutondele. Tata Wanzambi. Okay. Before, sorry, on spotlight, sorry. Before I display my slides, with quick revision, very important to remember that don't look on your notes at don't worry about it. You need to master this, very important.
Sure,
I mean,
sure.
being Congo, originally, you know what I mean. Being Congo, before the arrival of Western countries, being Congo is to know your language and to know your Luvila. Your Luvila is critical because, as I said the last time, the other day, people were sold within kingdom. I mean, this is the ancient time. This used to happen not only in Africa, but sorry, please, if you're watching us, keep apologizing. We are not saying that slavery is good. It was good among Africa. No. But in the Middle East, Middle East in the first century. But we should not compare that to transatlantic. Let's call it commerce. Okay, you know what I mean. The way our forefather went to America. This is not the same thing. But within the Congo Kingdom and other kingdoms, mainly Congo Kingdom, to be on safe side, you should be able to know your revealer, because if you are not able to search your revealer, people would assume that you are not true Congo, not genuine. Okay. Any question on that?
Nope.
No.
Chill,
Okay. What is Luvila then? What does the word mean? What does the word mean?
It is genealogy.
Well done. Okay. When we're talking about genealogy, we're talking two sides, dad and mom. To us by Congo, because we are matrilineal, yes, isn't we are? What matters is mom. I mean, when I say matter, you understand what I'm getting at, because this is the key. Mom, mother. So, mom's side in Kikongo is called.
Kanda.
Well done. That side.
Kisa.
Well done. Well, you are true Congo. Kise. Always remember ki. K-I or K-A is always a prefix. Kise. I don't know how to translate. Of dad. Maybe the close. When you say Kikongo, the root is Congo, kingdom. When we put the K-I, we mean Kikongo, belonging to Congo. Yeah. The translation is not easy, Sometimes it's changed every time. depending on the context. Okay. Thank you very much. Kanda, that side. Sorry, mom side. Kise, that side. So what is kise to your dad? Your kise to your dad. What is it?
You mean his mother's Kanda?
Well done, bravo. Basically, we're talking about kanda. See,
Mhm.
we yesterday I was teaching you some topics, some Kikongo genetics. I did say I was joking. Say to the friend that Congo people have four ladies involved in our lives. No, you can't escape. Four ladies. No offense, yeah. Four ladies. So mom, and dad. Correct, Tatale? Your kise is mom's dad.
Yeah.
Your kise is his kanda. So we keep revolving around. See, kanda. Okay, understood. Now we're going to kikai. So I made a new chart. I did correct that, Tatale, at your request. Remember, kikai was hard to understand because we wrote a paragraph about someone marrying the great grand. It was hard to understand without visualizing. Create a chart for that. So kikai. What is kikai? We could say grandparenthood, quote unquote. So my kikai from my mom's side, where is it? My kikai, Tatale.
It's your mom's dad.
Well done. So my mom's dad, yes. My mom's
And,
dad,
and your dad's dad.
yes. So my mom's dad, mom. So my I got on shadow is should be clear. I don't. I'm very pleased that you know that. Is it clear? And then what I do?
Yes,
When,
it's clear.
when we talk Kai, we mean grandfatherhood. Let's say that. Two sides, from your mom and from your dad. Because from my mom we have a kanda, that's done. From our dad we have a kise, which is dad's kanda, done.
That
Then we're going back to we're going to chase. We're chasing for two ladies, no? My grandfather, dad, no. My maternal grand. Let's put okay. Sorry, I'm keep repeating myself. We're going round and around. I want to display the. It's easier if we display it quickly. Okay, give me 1 minute. I need to stop share. Yes, my maternal grandfather. Yes, yeah. My maternal grandfather and my paternal grandfather. Kikai. Yes.
Yeah.
Those grandfathers, their moms. This is where we're finding the lady, the two ladies. Let me just share. We come back to the first slide because I need you to read it. Let me quickly move to. This is the. Yeah, this one, Tatan, yeah? I redone it, see? Can you read it? Is it easy enough?
Yeah. Oh, you want me to read it? Yeah, okay.
Please.
I am Tekolo. Why? Because of my maternal grandfather's mom and paternal grandfather's mom. In reality, I am Tekelo from my mom of these
No,
from my
from the
moms
mom.
of these grandfathers.
Yeah, clear? Then I'll tell you.
yeah, it's clear.
Yeah, so we have
Yes.
Kanda, mom's mom, Kise, which is mom's dad. Then we have go backward. We'll take it off from these mom of these
My grandfather's
granddad.
mother.
Sorry?
My grandfather's mothers.
Yeah. Yes, grandfather, yeah, maternal grandfather and paternal grandfather. Their moms. Their moms. Yeah. Tutondele. That's good. Let's go about from the first slide. Tata Alan. Can you read for us, please?
We apologize regarding our statement on our ancestors who were taken by force to America. Our statements read, if they had known their Luvila, but the corrected statement should be, if they had recorded their Luvila, there wouldn't be a need for African Americans of Congo origin to do a DNA test.
Yeah. I mean, when you read this, you just say we lost everything, you know? Mm. I mean, what can we say? Clear. What can we say? Tata, please, carry on, please.
In the beginning of Angolan War of Independence in early 1960s, there was a massive exodus of refugees from the north of the country to the DRC. Most of them were of Bakongo ethnic group. Fortunately, UNHCR did not have to build tent for every single family that escaped the war. Thanks to the work that was done by a Belgian priest by the name of Couvelier, the UN agency went from village to village looking for people with Luvila names that matched those of refugees. Whenever there was a match, a family would be given a land by those of the same Luvila and settled down.
Nkutama Villa that's the book.
Yeah.
Nkutama Villa Zamakand. Can you try to read that?
Oh, sorry.
Nkutama Villa Zamakand.
Mavila Zamba Makanda.
Nkutama Villa Zamakand.
Wow. Okay.
Kutama
A Villa Za Makanda.
Mm-hmm.
Catalog of Bakongo people's clans names in the DRC by Jean Couvelier, the Belgian priest, 1934. Villa plural for Luvila.
Yeah. That talent. Did you get that?
So, okay. No, I got it. I got it.
Yes, because basically, I mean, it is the same kingdom before the arrival of before the before the Berlin conference in 1884.
Wasn't it 1888?
I think it was 18. So, yeah.
84, 1884, 85. Yes.
Yeah, somewhere.
Before that, we were just kingdoms. So.
Yeah.
So does that catalog, do they actually have the artifacts to this catalog?
We have the book. I did rewrote the book. I mean, put in. We have it on. Let me show you because that catalog. I mean, massive, very good. Let me just try to bring it quickly. If you are watching, thank you very much. I can see a friend from California. Okay, he's there. Thank you, Tata. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. 1884. That is a black day for us Africans, no? Did you know that, Tata?
Yeah. It was a sad day.
Oh, I mean, we are live. I can't. I need to control myself.
It was a sad day.
No, that was. We lost everything. As I keep telling my student, student, we lost everything. Therefore, let's say when the house is burned out of it, there's a fire. We lost everything. The small thing that were safe, I mean, saved, we have to cherish, you know.
Yeah,
We just left language, Kilovila. Okay, this is it. Tata David, sorry, I can see.
Well, this must have been massive. Now, I mean, I'm thinking about it now, because to actually have recorded such a catalog, I mean, it took a lot of time and effort.
Oh yeah, I mean, very good. I can't do it now, but it because last time we did talk about it. Basically, when you say Luvila, Kanda, Kiste, every kanda is related to a village.
Mhm.
So he did a catalog. Let's say my kanda is Kinlungu. Then Kinlungu, you could trace this Kinlungu from a village called X or Y. See,
Okay.
so if you when we're fleeing, when people were escaping from the war to early DRC, you just say your Luvila, mainly your Kanda, see? So Kanda, from Kanda, you can trace other Kise, other Kikai. Your Kanda, then the URC, HCR, the High Commissioner for Refugees, will go to a village, ask the people, do you know anyone here from this Kanda? Okay, I am. Okay, come please. This person, if you're from your Kanda, you didn't know to. I mean, you just took them as your brother and sister because as long as you said your Kanda, it's basically the modern version of doing DNA tests. See?
Yeah, but you know what's interesting? I know we got to keep moving, but within each of the villages, though, because the women who carry the actual kanda, they move to the I guess the husband's village. Then there's the mixture of the different people living in the village from different kandas.
Yeah,
That makes
I
sense.
understand. I get you. You're right. But people, I mean, we can be mixed. We are in the village mix of many people are there, but we're mingling with other Kanda. As long as we know a Kanda, I mean, people can trace us, no?
Right, right,
As long
right.
as you know Kanda, we can be in the same village with 4 Kanda. It doesn't matter really because you are yourself. You are not me. If I'm a Kanda X, I'm still Kanda X. Doesn't matter if we are within, we're mixed, we are within the village that 100 people, 100 Kanda, see?
Hmm.
It's a modern version of DNA.
Yeah.
You know, you're in America, but you go to the lab, you test your DNA. No, they will know who you are. They will know who you are.
Okay.
Any question there? What David?
Nope.
Sorry, we lost everything, you know. In 1884, I think we did this. That's fine. Okay. Now we're going to talk about, because we did read it last time, but it wasn't clear with that chart. It is wedding, I mean, marriage between Kikai, take note of the Kikai and granddaughter, yeah? Remember, Tata, we're reading the text, it wasn't clear.
Yeah.
Remember that thing? Yeah. Now I made the chart, should be clear now. Okay, only mom's father, I mean, we're talking about the Kise, only mom's father, maternal grandfather, and dad's Kanda, because mom's Kanda is your Kanda, my Kanda, and dad's mom Kanda is Kise. Is it clear, this one? Tata, we just repeat here, this one.
Yeah.
Kise, just underlining, very important. Remember Kise because it matters. Because from Kiss, you can only from the Kinkai, only Kinkai were allowed to marry the third generation, the granddaughter. Okay, this is what's happened. Okay, let me just move it to the big, so you can. Are you able to see my chart? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. As I said, this is a case study. No, it's my family. Yeah. I gotta change the names, but whoever is from my Kanda, just by reading the chart, I mean, by just reading the names, just reading the Kanda, King Lungu, they would understand who is who. Just from this chart, see? Okay. Case study. Makyangi is Nzumba's brother. Hmm? From the same kanda, Kinlungu, yes? You telling?
Yep.
Yes, same Kinlungu. Okay. Then what did you? Makyangi is Nzumba's brother.
Okay.
Of course, Nzumba is Makyangi's sister.
Mhm.
In 1884, we were lost, sorry, but we have to cling. We have this left. We have a language, Kikongo, and
Mhm.
Luvila, our notion of
Yeah.
Luvila. It's still there. Okay, Makyangi Mafuta is Makyangi's daughter.
Mhm.
Mayamba is Mafuta's daughter. Yes?
Mhm.
Mm. This is Nzumba. Nzumba's daughter is Lulemba. Mm.
Mhm.
And Lulemba's daughter is Ndumba.
Mhm.
Here we have Nzumba's son.
Mhm.
Mm. Very
Yes.
careful. Take note. This is a boy. This is a girl. Yeah. That's
Yes.
take note, girl and boy, because the Congo we are mom side.
Mhm.
Mbunga is married to Mayamba.
Mhm.
That one is so far so good. That one.
No, I'm trying to process.
No. Okay.
Okay. So.
Okay. Let me just ask you a question. Some questions that it will be easy for you to understand. Nzumba. What is Ndumba's kanda? What is the name of her kanda? Ndumba.
Oh, it's Kilungu.
Wow, bravo, Kinlungo. Because we have a lady. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Mom. Mm. Yes. What is Mayamba kanda? Is there in red? Kintembo Yalanganga, yes?
Oh, I don't see it.
You can see very small. Oh, sorry, let me just remove something. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tatadevi, you quiet. What's you're right,
Oh,
Tatadevi.
well, yeah, I'm just listening. But Mayamba's kind of would be the same. Would also be Kingungu.
No, Mayamba kanda is Mayamba's kanda is here in red. Kintembo Yalanganga.
So that's the brother. I guess
Oh, I see.
Sorry.
Yeah. So that's gonna be the daughters. I guess Mafuta's mother,
Yeah,
right?
same kanda. Mafuta's kanda. Yeah,
Yeah.
mom. Can
Yeah.
you pay attention? Yeah.
Hmm.
So Mafuta kanda is Mafuta and Mayamba, of course, same kanda. Kintembo Yalanganga. Mhm.
Mhm.
Mbunga's kanda is
Kinlungu.
Kinlungu. Mbunga's mom, yeah? Mbunga's mom.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I got it now.
Tell me,
Yeah,
yeah? Mm.
because Ndumba
Mm.
is in the same Luvila as Makyangi. Am I saying that right? So the basically the brother Makyangi and
Yeah. They're the same movie.
Well done.
yeah.
Well done.
Oh, I got it now. Wow,
Oh, okay.
these people were
Okay.
ahead of their time, man.
Ahead of
So
time. Ahead of
so that
time.
means
I need to control my emotions, Tadala, you know?
You know. Huh.
Look,
So
then they
wow,
said that we were civilized, yeah?
mm,
They say
so
that.
so
Tadala, can
that
you believe that?
means
man.
Tadala, can you believe that when they say we were civilized? Hmm?
Mhm.
Okay, I
Talking
got
about
it now.
coding. Talking about coding. This is coding, you know.
Yeah, because
It really is.
yeah, Mayamba is in a different kanda because it's taking the Makyangi's wife's kanda.
Yeah,
Right.
Of course,
exactly.
you're right. Yeah, well done, well done. Yeah, yeah. We were ahead, you know. Hmm? Okay.
Wow. Okay.
Don't forget that because we're moving another level. Be careful now.
Uh-oh.
Okay. We're moving another level. In terms of generation, Lulemba, same level, yeah? Is it? Mafuta Lulemba, yeah?
Yes.
Mm.
Yes.
Ndumba Mayamba, same level, isn't it? Yes? Is it clear? Clear,
Yes.
totally.
Yeah.
In terms of generation, the
Yeah.
same.
Yeah.
This is a daughter of Ndumba, this is a daughter of Makangi. Then mm, Lulemba, Mafuta, same generation. Mayamba, Ndumba, same generation.
So this is how they kept the king, like they kept amongst themselves.
Uh, Question very important to understand this. We think as Congo people, don't think as as Western people. Think as Congo.
Mm.
Who is Mayamba? What is the relationship between Mayamba and Dumba in terms of Congo Kingdom? Hmm?
Well, so Mayamba would be the granddaughter of Ndumba or the daughter of
Wow,
Ndumba.
wow, magic, 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 magic. Oh, bravo!
Did I say it right?
Well done. Now
Mhm.
you have to explain yourself, you know. Tata David, did you get that?
Yes.
Yeah, it is a granddaughter. Granddaughter.
No, no, daughter, right?
Yeah, this one is Kaka. Kaka, which is the grandmother. Eh? We think as Congo. This is
Yeah, because
grandmother
they're
to.
in the same generation, right?
Mm.
Yeah, although they are same generation, but Congo tradition.
Yeah.
This one is grandmom to Mayamba.
Yeah, because of the relationship over at okay, I got it.
Did you get that?
I'm
No?
getting it.
Yeah.
I
Let
got
me
it. I
try
got
to
it. Once you mentioned they're in the same generation, but according to like Congo
let me
Kingdom.
try to simplify that. What is now we think about Gikai? Remember Gikai is who can tell me what is Gikai?
Kinkai is what the grandparents.
Yeah, kind of grandparents, yes. Hmm?
Yes.
Kind of granddad, yeah. Remember,
Yeah. Hmm.
my maternal granddad,
And the
moms,
paternal.
yes.
Yes.
That I need to understand. To remember that you know that
No, no. Can you repeat yourself? I'm sorry.
Kikai,
Yes,
Kikai, we got Kikai from mom's side and that side.
correct.
So Kikai, my Kikai from mom's side is my maternal grandfather's
Yeah.
mom, yes.
Yeah,
And from your dad
yeah.
is
My paternal grandfather's mom.
wow, bravo. Okay, keep. Remember this because we're moving. Remember this.
Oh
So
boy, it's getting more complicated, huh?
Yeah.
no, the chart is there. So Mayamba Kikai is this one, isn't it? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Mayamba Kikai is this.
Yeah, yes.
Mhm.
Yeah, because Mafuta.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, yeah. This is Mayamba Kikai. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
What is Makangi Kanda's name?
Makyangi.
Makangi Kanda's name.
Yeah, Kilungu.
Kinlungu. Yes, Kinlungu. Yes,
Kilungu.
Kinlungu. So, what is Ndumba's Kanda's name?
Kilungu.
Yeah, therefore, genetics, see, we're talking about genetics, no? Therefore, this blood is Gikai of this one.
Yeah.
Then, Ndumba Yamba calls Ndumba grandmother. Name what I do?
Yes, I understand.
Yes. That's it.
Wow.
I think that-
Tell me we were. Don't tell me that. We were not civilized, no.
Yeah,
When I grow up,
I want to explain this to my siblings.
you have to. We have to.
Yeah.
The other day I was teaching to my sons about Tetan Kent and workers. We have to. We are left with that. I mean, we lost the kingdom. Everything's gone, but we have to cling on this, no?
Mm.
So when I was young, I mean, teenager, my same relationship. I mean, we can go ahead. The other, my younger daughter, and apply the same principle. See, my younger daughter will be the same kind. Yes.
Yes.
My younger daughter, Ndumba daughter. So I was 14 years, 12 years old, but same picture. My let's call a boy John here, same kinda. He used to call me Kaka, see? Granddad, see? Because of you.
I know, because I always when I'm starting to understand the explanations now when I hear my, I guess the mass values when they're speaking, or the older I guess family members, but it's still unless you have a chart like this where you can visualize it.
Very hard, very hard, very hard. It is very hard because it is very hard. That's why we've done our best. Same principle applies, We science from Egypt. Now we have a microscope computer, but original thing is there from there. See. This is from our forefather, but we are trying to put it. It looks fine, it looks nice, but the original idea is from our ancestors, no? Yeah. It looks nice. Tutondele questions. This is my family. Yeah? This is my Kilungu. Yeah.
Okay.
I just changed the names, but this is my mom. This is my grandma. Yeah. Yeah. This is my great, yes. So Makiang is there. Then you go this. Tutondele. That was good. Your Congo people. Tutondele. I did. Okay, I need to share my folder. If you're watching online, we have all this material. We have this on our website, There's a link. I did share folders. Tutondele. Questions that Alan?
No, I don't have any questions. I think I got it now. So I'm gonna because we have Thanksgiving coming up. So my one of my own assignment here is to come up with similar chart, but within my own family, so I can.
Oh yeah, very important, very important, very important, very important. We need to do that. You need to do that because people are traveling. We're going people are moving from Africa, from Europe to Europe, vice versa. Families are everywhere,
Yeah.
If you know this, it will help you, African. Tutondele. I'm very pleased that we have learned Congo. Luvila, Congo. Our ancestors' wisdom, They were smart. No way. Tutondele. Brenda Kiambote.
Musala Kiambote. All right.
Thank you. See you.
Bye-bye.
Papi Salomo, Willy Longa, les coordonnateurs, et pas Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma, Eli Kwayeno, Dr. Nelson Kalaba, Jean-René Nicolo, Mamalandou, Magloire Bongo, Philippe Kamango, Pemba Massagira, Zozo Kanu, Jean-Paul Bouyamba,
Politisa Keita Kulama
Serge Ndodo, la San Diego,
Kinshasa, Kinshasa,